Hi, so today's video is going to be about access modifiers. So what are access modifiers? So I'm pretty sure you've seen me in my previous videos do like static in and let's just say, I don't know, health, right? But right now, this is actually a private because when you don't specify yourself, it's usually private. So any variable that you make, if it's not specified to be public or something else, it will be always private. Now, but what does this actually mean? So there's many types of these. So we will have our public, we'll have private, we will have protected, internal, protected internal, and private protected. I didn't really space them out properly, but let's just go and space them out now. There we go. So I've covered this a little bit in the encapsulation video, so this is kind of a carry-on, because I just want to explain what they are. I want to say that they're not important, but they are, but if you just want to start programming, you don't have to care that much about it from the start, especially, well, to be honest, like your most commonly used ones will be the publics and the privates, but yeah. So what is a public? It's basically a type that can be accessed by any other code. So for example, if we have a different class, so let's just call this class, I don't know, another class, then if it's public, then as long as we get the reference to the class, we can access that variable. But if it's private, then we obviously can't. That's why we use the property to get access to them if we want to. So that way we kind of keep it secure and only allow the information that we want to leak out, for example, just a set value or just a get. So now, what is protected? So protected is similar to private. So this one can be only accessed by the code in the same class or in a class that is derived from that class, whereas private can only be accessed by the code in the same class or struct. So that's the two different and big differences. Now, I haven't gone into inheritance, so I'm not going to say what derived from a class means, but it's just something to keep an eye on for later. Moving on, we have the internal. Now, internal can be accessed by any code in the same assembly, but not from another assembly. And then the remaining two, which is protected internal, so that can be accessed by any code in assembly in which is declared or within a derived class in another assembly. Whereas private protected can be only accessed within its declaring assembly by code in the same class or the type that is derived from. Yeah, so that would be it for this video. I just wanted to clear up this bit. It's just something I want to get out of the way, especially because I'll be using these in the next videos, and I don't want to use elements that I haven't spoke about in some ways. So yeah, just wanted to quickly get over it with because it's just a talking video rather than me showing how to code.